Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my running essentials. Before we get into this video, please follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Also, hit that subscribe button. We got new style and sneaker video on this channel every week. All right, let's jump right into it. This video is going to be about my running essentials. I, for one, am not a runner. I've always been into basketball and weightlifting. And obviously now during the lockdown, running has been something I'm trying to pick up, and it's been really great the past month. So I decided to try running since summer is here, and that's really one of the few ways I can get out, enjoy the fresh air. And of course, gyms are still not open for me, and so that's another way to get exercise out of it. So this video is about the essential items that I feel like I really needed to help me get into running. I think with a few changes, a few items like this, it makes your running experience a lot better, a lot easier, so that way you can keep it up and do it more often. All right, running essential number one, of course, it is the sneakers. Now for me, I'm a big Nike fan, so I kind of want to just keep it with Nike. I know there's a lot of great running sneaker brands out there. Definitely check it out. But it's really all about fit, finding the one that is right for your foot. I think that's very interesting when I think about it. When it comes to sneakers and other shoes, you really don't think about how you walk in them, how they fit as much, but running sneakers is really important. How they fit on you, where the support is, how you run, things like that. So definitely try out a few pairs to figure out which one works best for you. So the one I have here is the Epic React. So this has been really great. I think this is one of the best overall sneakers from Nike. And then on this hand, I have the Nike Pegasus Turbo 2. I just picked this one up recently to start my run this summer. And first of all, I really love the cushioning in this, really comfortable. And I love the color. So I wanted a red pair of sneaker because I usually just wear all black. So I wanted a pop in color in my outfit. And when I'm looking down, the red color kind of charges me up. So this has been really great. So definitely go find yourself the right pair of running sneaker. You don't want to go running with basketball sneakers or a pair of like Nike Air Force One or Converse. That's not going to be good for you in the long run. All right, item number two, it is the shirt. For me, I like sleeveless shirt. I don't like so much restriction when I'm running. And also since I'm running out in the sun, I don't really want like a farmer's tan. Any shirt would really work, but I do prefer the ones that are made for athletic and for running. So it kind of strips off the moisture quicker. So obviously you're gonna be sweating a lot, and I don't wanna have a shirt that's gonna soak up all the sweat and makes it heavier and sticks to you. Shirts like this are great. They're actually like blend. And this one is from the Rock Under Armour collection. And I just cut off the sleeve so that I can just wear it sleeveless like this. Essential number three is the shorts. Now for me, I noticed running in running shorts makes a big difference from your regular gym shorts, your basketball shorts, because they are shorter, they're lighter. And so when you're running, it's not as restrictive on your knees, on your legs. They feel a lot better. I think at first I was just like, wow, that's a lot of legs. It's kind of like short shorts. But I've grown to really enjoy it and just enjoy wearing them when I'm running. I usually just pick up all black. I like an all black look, simple, get out there and start running. But sometimes I do like to find something like a camo pattern, something like this a little bit more fun, just to switch things up in your outfit. But overall, I like to keep my outfit pretty simple, all black, and then got my sneakers. All right, essential number four, wireless headphones. I think this is another like big change. All these things are kind of simple, you know, like getting the right pair of shorts, getting the right pair of sneaker. But the wireless headphones, I mean, this is such a big difference. I remember when I first, way back, started running, got the earbuds in, that line constantly, it's like in the way, it's so annoying. The wireless headphones are great for obvious reasons. You don't have to deal with all the wires and getting tangled. You can just put it on, get in the zone and start running. I have this one from the Rock Under Armour collection as well. This I actually use more when I'm just lifting weights, so I like this one. And then recently I got the Beats by Dre. I think these are called the Power Beats. These have been really great. I really enjoy these. They hook onto your ear and it works really great. So I've been loving these. This is definitely an essential. It's really hard to run with like the iPhone headphones because it would just constantly be dropping. So you want something that's secure, preferably made for sports so that, you know, it won't fall off. Obviously the wireless capability makes it a lot easier to just be on the go and not have to worry about the wire getting in the way. Essential number five, this is another big one. This is the flip belt. This is one of those things I really wish I bought earlier because it really changed everything. I think when I first just got into running, I was like, all right, well, okay, I guess I have what I need. Let's go and run. But then I'm like, where do I put my phone? Where do I put my keys? Where do I put my stuff? And then you're running in your pocket and you're scared it's gonna drop out half the time. So like running with that, thinking like that is just like, it's annoying, to be honest. And so the flip belt has been really great. It's something you actually just wear on your waist and you can put your phone, your keys, your wallet, credit card, and you can just flip it on the other side. It's been really great. It's really secure and I don't even feel it there because it kind of just sits around your waist. And I've been really loving this. This really makes the running experience a lot easier and a lot better. Okay, essential number 6 are my apps. So for me, I personally use the Nike running app. So that's been really fun just to track my run, my speed, my miles and things like that. I love having an app like this because it really accurately tracks your run so you know what you're doing, how it's going. And I love that it lets you know like mile 1, your time split, and when you stop at a traffic light, it will stop as well. So it will track correctly with the time that you're actually running. And it's also been really fun kind of see how my friends are doing, tracking their runs, and then there's different challenges on here. So an app like this is not essential per se, but I think it really helps your overall run experience. It kind of enhances it, and it's a simple free app that you can get. Another obvious one is having music. So I use Spotify, and having the right music, the right playlist to kind of keep motivating me to keep me going. That's been an essential that I need on my run. I don't think I can run without music. I think that would be really boring and tough to keep me mentally focused and motivated to keep going. So apps wise, Nike running app and the Spotify app. I'm by no means a running expert. I'm just kind of getting into this, actually enjoying running. I feel like these are really like the essential items that really help me to get more comfortable and enjoy running. Obviously, you can go out and run with anything. You just need sneakers and clothes. But these items have really helped me along the way to enjoy it. All right, extra items. I have a face mask. This one here I just got off of Amazon. I think you get like 9 of these for like 20 bucks or something. Since I live in New York City, I'm literally running into somebody every block. There's people everywhere. And so having a face mask has been really helpful, obviously with what's going on right now, to protect myself and also protect others. You might not need it depending on where you live, if you live near the woods or if you live in a country that don't need this, but it's been really helpful. Definitely an extra essential items that I need. And then another extra is the Theragun massage gun. I got this, I think like Black Friday, Christmas time, and I've really enjoyed this. This has been really nice to kind of massage my legs after a long run, after a tough workout, especially in spots that you normally can get to. I know this is a little bit expensive, and so that's why I kind of added this just as a bonus at the end, but I've noticed that having something like this to recover really helps, because it could be like a random tough spot that you're like, why is my leg hurting? It could be a certain spot that you're just like, I need to get this out. Another great thing to have is a foam roller. This is also really great just to massage your muscle, your leg muscles. And I like to do this like at night when I'm watching TV, playing video games. I'll just sit on the floor and just kind of foam roll my legs a little bit. So that's been really helpful. I kind of rotate between the two depending on what my leg needs and how I need to recover. All right, so there you have it, guys. A quick video on my running essentials. Let me know in the comments if I'm missing anything. What is your most important thing for your running routine? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.